Hello everyone, Blackdog is with you, which means that it's time for scary videos. For viewing, it is advisable to put on headphones and turn off the lights. Happy viewing everyone. Number 1. The CCTV camera captured the dark silhouette of a man who appears as if from thin air. The ghost walks slowly, then falls to his knees and starts to crawl. Number 2. This video was taken in Portugal. A man was filming his daughter when she was playing with her ball. But the girl noticed that a girl unfamiliar to them was standing next to her father and was looking directly at him. When the father saw who was standing nearby, he throws the camera out of surprise and fear and runs away. Number 3. This video was taken through the DVR while the man was driving home through the woods. Unexpectedly, he met an incomprehensible and terrible monster of a large size. It ran across the road and you can see thin and long limbs, a bald tail, as well as something that looks like wings. The opinions of the locals are divided. Some believe that this is an unknown animal to science, while others believe that it is a chupacabra. Number 4. Something inexplicable is happening in this video. You can clearly see how the cat plays with the reflection in the mirror, and at some point, the reflection simply began to lag behind reality. Number 5. In 2015, some mysticism occurred on the road in China. Suddenly and violently, a mystical force lifts up 3 different machines, sending them in different directions. Some believe that a short-term gravitational anomaly formed on the road, while others believe that an alien life form is to blame.